Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, plus a what's in my bag / bag of the day video, because you all haven't seen this since my Dallas shopping trip with Julie from Agent Bag Reviews, and this is the first time that I've used it. I have a frog in my throat. I do not know what is wrong with my voice. Anyhow, I thought I would do the what's in my bag and up close look at the Tory Burch Kira in the ruched leather first, and then I would go on and do the unboxing. The unboxing is a present for me if everything goes well, and so let's just cross our fingers that everything goes well. And then I will wrap it along with the other things I'm wrapping and put it under the tree. That's just how we do it here at our house. My husband bought his own gifts too. Neither one of us is good at guessing what the other one might want, and so rather than buying something that will never get used and that will be returned, we just buy our own gifts. Kind of sad, but then we get what we really want. So is it really sad? I don't think so. The emblem on the Kiras now is larger than it used to be, and it also has more dimension. It's more three-dimensional, that is. Also, if you look at the straps, I've got one leather bit instead of two leather bits, but I don't find that uncomfortable because what I do is I put the leather bit on my shoulder like so, and then I just put the chain kind of over it or overlap it. And since the chain's so flat, I really don't have any discomfort wearing it that way. Let me stand up and just show you how this bag looks on my body. I'm 5'8" and about 150 pounds. At least lately, on a good day, I'm 150 pounds. I really don't want to be more than that. So I've showed you before, you can pull up the center portion to get a different crossbody length on these convertible bags, but I actually really like it at this length, and plus the leather break at the top. If you pull up the center, you don't get the advantage of the leather break at the top, but it does look like there's a little top handle if you do it that way. So I guess if you like a higher crossbody, that could be an option, or it could also just be a long shoulder bag, which I kind of like that as well. Of course, if you pull on this, it doesn't act as a top handle because it is fluid with the rest of the chain. The leather on this bag is just to die for. It is so soft. I did look at a couple of them to get the one with the straightest flap possible, but because of all the ruching, that was a little bit hard to do. I looked at every one that the store had. The inside of the flap is a super soft leather, and that's something I did want to address real quickly. The leather on the inside of the Tory Burch flaps on my Kira bags is real leather, but the Eleanor bag, it used to say on either the Tory Burch or the department store websites that it was polyurethane or that it was bonded leather, which bonded leather is essentially like bologna leather, chopped up, glued back together, and adhered to a backing. And that really distressed me that the leather inside the Eleanor bag by Tory Burch wasn't real. I mean, bonded leather has leather in it, but it's not the same as a solid hide. And so I then went and looked at my Willa bags from the outlet. And if you don't know what a Willa bag is, let me grab it and I'll show you. This is my Tory Burch Willa in the color Allium. And these bags are made with a goat leather on the outside. It's like a glazed goat leather. And it feels so, so good to the touch. And of course, you see it has a double break up at the top. This is a current style at the outlet, although this color is either on clearance or gone, I think. But on the inside of this flap, I think that that is not real leather. It doesn't feel like real leather. Pretty darn sure that it is also like a polyurethane or a patent leather. And to be honest with you, that kind of bugs me, but I'm willing to sacrifice for the Willa bags because the goat leather is so amazing. Without a doubt though, I really do believe that the inside of all my Kira flaps are leather. They feel just incredible. So let's get into the inside of the bag. It's lined in like a jacquard type fabric, a woven type fabric, which is really nice and characteristic of many of the Kira bags. Some of them are having like an ultra suede or a microfiber interior, but most of them have this jacquard type innard. So I've got my key fob and my AirPods case, my medicine pouch, And then if you look, you'll see over here, I have my Chanel hand cream that I got as part of one of the gift sets. I really like that Chanel hand cream. I've got my Saint Laurent Fragments card holder, and I am really enjoying this card holder. It holds 5 cards on the back, and then inside I have many, many, many more cards. So this is a really nice flat option that expands a little bit because of the gusset. And then I have one of my larger pouches to put things like makeup and sharp things like nail files into. And then the only thing I have left is my Chanel lip balm that I got as part of the set, a hair tie, and I've got some cash over here and checks, and then I've got some coupons and stuff in there. So that is everything in the bag. Like I said, this is her maiden voyage today. And we are in the middle of a winter storm right now, and it is freezing outside. The temperature is dropping. It was 8 degrees this morning, and it is supposed to be, I believe, 0 by 5 o'clock, and that's not counting the wind chill. So what I did, being the smart cookie that I am, is I signed up for Walmart delivery a couple days ago for today, so I didn't have to get out today. And then this morning at 9 o'clock a.m., they called me and said, we don't have any drivers. So now I'm going to pick up my groceries, but I am going to wait until like 5 o'clock so that hopefully the main roads that I'll be on will be driven on, and then they won't be slippery anymore. It's supposed to stop snowing around 1, so that'll give a good 4 hours to have people drive on those roads and basically move away all of the snow and ice that could give me any trouble. So now that I've showed you the Kira bag and the Willa bag by Tory Burch, 2 of my favorite styles by Tory Burch, and of course I love the Kira top handle bags as well as one of my favorite all times from Tory Burch, I'm going to go ahead and pop this item open. Like I said, this is one of my potential Christmas presents, and I'm just getting ready to do my wrapping. I'm going to go grab all of the wrapping bags and paper out of the basement and start wrapping here in just a few minutes, but I wanted to get a video out to you before I did that. Today, I believe, is December 22nd, so I have a couple days, you would think, but actually we're going to go see some family tomorrow, so I need to have the Christmas presents ready by tomorrow at noon. So today is the day. This is an item that I had to sign for. It came from Sam's Club, and I had them hold it for me at Walgreens because you can do that, so in case you're not there when they come to your door, you don't have to worry about being there for the signature and waiting a whole nother day. Well, Walgreens apparently doesn't always scan things when they get them, so it sat there all day yesterday, ready for pickup without me being aware. By the time I got it, I was too tired to film this video. So it was all sealed up. I'm really excited about this item. I did get to see it in the store, but I figured that I would buy it online as opposed to in the store because I could get cash back potentially, and I could also get a lower tax rate. My tax rate is 4.25% or 4.22% if I get things delivered to my home generally. And it's weird with Coach, it bounces back and forth between 4.22 and 6.75, depending on how they feel on the particular day they charge me. But with most companies, it's 4.22. And that's a lot better than the 8 something that they would have charged me at the store, especially on a larger purchase. So you might keep that in mind when you're ordering stuff. If you have a good tax rate where you live, sometimes doing the online thing is better. And I have no fear that Sam's Club is going anywhere. So the presentation is somewhat lacking, but what this is a diamond tennis bracelet. And it's a little kinked. I have a diamond bracelet in yellow gold already, but it's not like a fluid piece like this one is. I generally will wear this bracelet here, which is diamond, and I'll pair it with another one, like this is a paperclip bracelet in rose gold. I also have a rope bracelet in yellow gold, and I'll pair that with this, and then whatever ring I'm wearing will match either bracelet stack. Like for example, today I've got this ring. It's by Rigo Designs, and it has rose gold and white gold, so it matches these. The bracelet that I already have, let me go grab it. So this bracelet is from Sam's Club too, and it's still available, and I can link both of these. I think this one was around $1,500, and it has an adjustable length so you can clip it wherever you want to. And by the way, I have a new camera, so I think this is focusing way, way better than my old one. This is an iPhone 14 Pro, and I'm impressed, at least with what I am seeing on my screen as I'm filming this video. But again, I generally will pair this bracelet here with my Rigo Designs double strand diamond tennis bracelet. But I thought it would be really pretty to be able to wear this too, in addition to the rope, or maybe just this with the rope, or maybe this with this double strand tennis bracelet. So let me go ahead and try her on. I'm assigning a feminine name to my jewelry. This is crazy. So like I said, this is one of my Christmas presents. I have two. I've got the Pillow Madison and the Sherilyn, and then I've got this bracelet. The same drop, I guess you'd say, from my wrist as the Rigo one. So that's awesome because I don't like to have a big difference in the size of my bracelets. This new gold bracelet is 1 carat total weight. I can't remember what this one is. I would imagine it's closer to 2, but you can see it has a really nice substantial clasp, and the diamonds are just sparkling like crazy. And if I want to go ahead and pop on my rope bracelet too, you can see that those two on your right, these two right here, would be a great pair to wear with a golden ring. But you could also pair them with this, and that way you could wear either a silver with gold accents or a silver ring or whatever. I don't mind stacking. I don't generally mix rose gold with yellow gold, but you can do whatever you want to do. That's what's awesome about jewelry. So let me talk to you just briefly about diamond quality. On all of my diamonds from Sam's Club, I think that they've all said that they were like I1, I2, I2, I3, which means you should be able to see black specks or defects in each diamond or in some of the diamonds with your naked eye. And that has not been my experience. Like even when I've got a loop out and looked at these pieces, they have been amazing. And so I feel like the reason why they put I2, I3 onto the card that describes what the diamonds are is so that you're going to be happy, because what you get is going to be better than what the card says. And so I've been extremely happy with my Sam's Club jewelry, and I have a couple bracelets, I have a few rings. My wedding ring, which I'm not wearing today, but my engagement ring came from Sam's Club, but it was like a VVS, like super high quality, like clarity, cut, all that. It was super high. They've kind of stopped doing that though, and now it seems like all of their stones are more in the clarity in the eyes. And like I said, again, I don't think that these are eye quality, but you do get a GIA, I believe, card with this. I'm gonna have to look at it. I may have it upside down. Let's see. Yeah, so it says I1 is the minimum average clarity, and HI is the minimum average color. So while it says that it's I1 on the description on the website, it's the minimum. It's not guaranteed that you're going to get I1. So in a nutshell, I love Sam's Club for jewelry. I guess I actually have a necklace or two from them too. And so when I go in there to shop for food, I always kind of take a little stroll around, and if it's my birthday or Christmas or Valentine's Day, I might just pick something up. You never know. But this unboxing was also successful. I'm super happy with it. Now I've got to take it off and wrap it up and put it under the tree, or put it in the car to drive to where we're going. No, I'll probably put it under the tree. Anyhow, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.